Hi, welcome back to One Stop Academy English OET Prep, your place for clear, practical OET preparation designed for healthcare professionals. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, become a channel member for extra reading part A, B, and C practice examples, detailed explanations, and exclusive exam strategies. Today, we are focusing on OET Reading Part A, where you must answer 20 questions in only 15 minutes. That means you have less than 1 minute per question, so strategy is extremely important. In this lesson, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method that helps you save time, avoid common mistakes, and locate answers faster on exam day. Step 1. Quickly preview the texts. In the real OET exam, you will see 4 short texts connected to the same medical topic. Your first task is not to read every word. Instead, spend around 15 seconds per text quickly scanning headings, subheadings, keywords, medical terms, and important nouns. You are simply trying to understand, what is this text mainly about? Is it discussing treatment, diagnosis, side effects, advice, or procedures? This quick preview helps your brain remember where information is located later. A lot of students panic and skip this step, but it actually saves time because you become familiar with the layout immediately. Step 2. Start with the matching questions. After previewing the texts, go directly to the matching questions. These questions ask, in which text can you find information about? Your goal is to identify whether the answer is in A, B, C, or D. But here is the important part. Do not only match keywords, look for the meanings. Many students lose marks because they see one similar word and choose the wrong answer immediately. Instead, read carefully, understand the meaning, and confirm the text actually answers the question. OET often uses paraphrasing, meaning the word in the question will be different from the wording in the text. Step 3. Learn to scan, not read. When searching for answers, your eyes should move quickly across the page. You're looking for medical terms, repeated ideas, numbers, names, symptoms, and treatment words. Strong OET candidates do not read every sentence slowly. They scan first, then read carefully only after locating the relevant section. This is a major difference between high and low scores. Step 4. Short answer questions. For short answer questions, remember this important rule. Copy words exactly from the text. Do not change spelling, grammar, singular plural forms, or word order. Even a small mistake can lose marks. For these questions, use this 3-step method. 1. Choose the most relevant text. Ask yourself, which text is most likely to contain this information? Number 2. Scan quickly for keywords. Look for related medical terms or repeated ideas. Number 3. Read carefully. Once you locate the section, slow down and identify the exact word or phrase needed. Important exam tip. If you cannot find an answer quickly, don't panic. Don't waste several minutes. Instead, skip it, move forward, and return later. Very often, after working through the other questions, you become more familiar with the texts and difficult answer becomes easier to find. Sentence completion questions follow the same method. Choose the likely text, scan for keywords, then read carefully. But there is one extra rule. Your completed sentence must make grammatical sense. For example, if the answer requires a number plus a noun, include both. Always check whether your answer sounds complete and natural. Here is final but important advice. To do well in OET Reading Part A, focus on scanning efficiently, recognizing paraphrasing, managing your time, and staying calm under pressure. This is a skill that improves with practice. The more high quality examples you do, the faster and more confident you become. If this lesson helps you, like the video, comment your biggest reading part A difficulty below. Subscribe to the channel. And if you want more reading part A examples, reading B and C strategies, member only lessons, and detailed answer explanations, become a channel member today for full access to extra material. Good luck and see you with the next lesson. Bye.